Hello, this is Skills 2, Lesson 3. We're going to be doing our warm-up activity just like we did yesterday and the previous morning. We're going to use our fist first to put together compound words, and then we're going to do it with just sounds. So get your fists ready. Bath, tub. Try to put the two words together. Bathtub. Good job. Pen, sol. Put the two sounds together. Pencil. Wind, e. Windy. Good job. Sister, sister. Reset. Sh, e, she. Good job. Sh, oo, shoe. Z, oo, zoo. Off, off. Good job. Now this time we're going to do all of the different sounds in the word, and we're going to be touching our shoulder, elbow, and wrist, and then we're going to sweep from our shoulder down to our elbow, down to our wrist to put the word together. Okay, the first word is fun. Okay, listen to my sounds. Fun. Parents, make sure that they are touching the three spots, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and that they're doing a big sweep across the whole arm to blend the word back together. Fun. Okay, next word. Mess. Next word. Fish. Next word. Sign. Next word. Mean. Zoom. If you would like to pause here and go over that again, you are more than willing to do so. We are probably going to be doing this at least one more time in class because this is a hard concept for the kids to pick up. We will also be practicing this from now on, so we will get lots and lots of practice with this. Okay, next I want to show you some pictures. What is this picture of? Look at it. Okay, it's a sun. Listen to all the sounds in that word. Sun. Now let's start at our shoulder, and we're going to say all the sounds in the word. Sun. Okay, let's try that again. Sun. Okay, now what do you think this is a picture of? It's not lips. It's not teeth. It starts with a mouth. Okay, we're looking for mouth. Listen to my sounds. Ow. Mouth. Let's do that one again. Ow. Mouth. Next picture is O Z. Nose. Oh, I didn't let you tell me what that picture was. I'm sorry. That picture is nose, as I already told you. Let's do it again together. O's. Nose. Good job. Now this is a picture of a knife. Very good. We're going to say those sounds together, or I'll say them by myself first, and then we can say them together. Knife. Let's do it together. Knife. Good job. We'll practice that some more throughout the week. If you'd like to pause and go over these pictures again, you're more than welcome to do so. Next, we are going to be working on our zigzag line in our workbook. That is page 3.1. You're going to be working on the zigzags. Parents, make sure that they don't go too fast, because there are times when they go too fast on the zigzag lines and they just go up and down, up and down, up and down really fast, and they don't trace the lines. It's important for them to actually trace the lines. On the next one, 3.2, you are going to look at the picture that's in the first square and have the child circle the picture that is exactly alike. Okay, same thing for the back. And then on 3.3, that is review of our writing strokes that we've already done. So you'll need to do that one as well. Thank you all so much. I know this lesson was a little longer, but we are starting a couple of different concepts and different activities to do with our words. So that's why it took a little bit longer, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.